Hello, everyone, and welcome to Meducate, where the reality of NEET SS counseling is decoded, simplified, and delivered straight to you. In today's video, we are going to take a comprehensive and practical look at the NEET Super Specialty Medical Group in DNB institutes. We'll cover exact branch wise details, including the seat matrix, closing ranks of last 2 years. If you're preparing for NEET SS 2025, counseling, don't plan your counseling based on assumptions, rumors, or isolated cutoffs. Plan it based on real data, real ranks, and realistic options. Use the medical group ebook to understand closing ranks, seat strength, fees, stipends, and bond conditions. The download link is available in the description. Join our free Telegram group to stay updated with counseling notifications, alerts, and clarifications in real time. And if you want structured one-to-one counseling support, whether it's government seats, DNB pathways, or precise choice filling, our guidance packages are designed to support you at every step. Because in NEET SS counseling, the right information at the right time can change your entire outcome. Stay connected with Meducate, where NEET SS counseling is decoded, simplified, and delivered with clarity. Starting with cardiology. In 2023, the closing rank was 8,258, and in 2024, it remained almost the same at 8,244, with 314 seats available. Despite a large number of seats, cardiology continues to attract consistent demand, making it one of the most stable DNB branches. Next is clinical hematology. The closing rank shifted from 4,411 in 2023 to 4,625 in 2024, with 35 seats. Because of the limited seat count, this branch shows moderate rank fluctuation and requires careful counseling planning. Now, clinical immunology and rheumatology. The closing rank improved from 885 in 2023 to 717 in 2024, with 22 seats. This indicates strong demand and makes it one of the most competitive branches within the DNB Medical Group. Moving to endocrinology, the closing rank moved slightly from 1,268 to 1,399, with 37 seats available. This branch remains relatively stable and predictable for candidates with good mid level ranks. Next is specialty infectious disease. This branch did not have data in 2023, and in 2024 it closed at a rank of 1,809 with only 3 seats available. Because of extremely limited seats, outcomes here are highly unpredictable. Now, medical gastroenterology. The closing rank improved significantly from 6,320 in 2023 to 4,438 in 2024, with 186 seats. This shows increasing demand and makes gastroenterology one of the strongest DNB options. Moving on to medical genetics. The closing rank shifted from 3,874 to 3,990 with just 4 seats. With such a small seat pool, rank trends can vary sharply year to year. Next is nephrology. The closing rank improved from 8,239 in 2023 to 7,985 in 2024, with 177 seats available. The large number of seats makes nephrology a relatively safe and counseling friendly DNB branch. Finally, Dr. NB Neurology. The closing rank improved from 8,198 to 8,071, with 196 seats. Despite high seat numbers, neurology continues to show strong and consistent demand. Now that we've seen the data for both government institutes and DNB institutes in the NEET SS Medical Group, let's compare how these two pathways actually behave during counseling. In government institutes, closing ranks are consistently tighter and more competitive, even in branches with a large number of seats, such as cardiology, gastroenterology, and neurology. Government seats usually close at much better ranks. This reflects higher demand, limited government infrastructure, and strong preference among top ranking candidates. In contrast, DNB institutes show significantly higher closing ranks even for popular branches. Branches like DNB cardiology, neurology, and nephrology regularly extend beyond 8,000 ranks, making them realistic options for candidates who may not secure a government seat. Thank you, that's it from today's video. Tomorrow we will see about private and deemed institutes of medical group. You can download our ebook for better clarity and join Telegram group